Hey everyone, what's up? On the Vela channel today, I'll show you how to fix all errors related to the Windows 11 update. To do that, we'll need to go into my computer, C drive, Windows. And here we may or may not have a folder called Software Distribution. We go in and delete everything that's in here. Alright, moving on. We'll need to go into Start, Settings, then System. Here we have Troubleshoot and then additional troubleshooters. And here we have the Windows Update Troubleshooter. It basically knows there might be issues with Windows updates. Run it and just wait for it to finish. This is the troubleshooter. And here are two more solutions I can offer. Go to Start, open CMD as administrator. It's better to open it that way. Click Yes and type in SFC Iscano. And it will run a full scan of your computer. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. This is what you reload the system after. Yes, after it finishes. And from here you can also go into services. Yes, let's type run services and open it. And here we have something called Windows Update. There it is. We right click on it, go to properties and launch it. And after that we restart the computer. Yes, we come back here, click start, then go to update, right? So these are the Windows Update settings and you update. And that's it. It was Veller with you. See you all later.